welcome back. I have been cleaning my room and I have discovered that I have an excessive amount of CDs. And I thought, hey, let's see what happens when I paint on them. So I have set them out. I put them on a little Dixie cup. Hopefully the paint's gonna balance, it's not gonna tip. I have some leftover paint from a previous project, and I thought I could do a little experimenting and see how they would turn out. So these are all pre-mixed acrylic paints by Craft Smart. I'm gonna do a dirty pour over them. I might change it up a little bit. I don't know, we're gonna see what happens as I start doing it. So if you've done this before, go ahead and leave a comment in the description box below this video. I would love to know what techniques, and if you're able to send me some photos, that would be great. I do have a Facebook group. It's the Paint Pour Academy group, and I'll link it in the description, and I would love to see your art. So I'm gonna speed up this video while I do the process, and I will see you when the CDs are dry. Let's get started.